In this video, you'll learn how to get Google Flights notifications so you never miss a good flight deal again. We'll go from searching for a route to turning on price tracking to making sure your notifications actually arrive in your inbox. Follow along on your computer or phone and feel free to pause as you go. First, open your browser and head to Google Flights. You can do this by searching for Google Flights in the search bar and clicking the official result. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple search form where you can choose your departure and destination as well as your dates and number of travelers. Start by entering the route you're interested in. Type in your departure city or airport, then your destination. Choose whether the trip is one-way, round trip, or multi-city and select your travel dates. If your dates are flexible, you can also explore the calendar view to see how prices change across different days. When you're ready, click the search button. Google Flights will now show you a list of available flights for that route and time frame. After the results appear, this is where you'll turn on notifications. Look for an option labeled Track Prices. It usually appears near the top of the results page, close to the dates or just under the search bar. When you find it, click or tap the toggle to enable track prices for that route and those dates. As soon as you try to turn on price tracking, Google may ask you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. This step is important because Google needs an account to know where to send your alerts. If you see a sign-in prompt, choose the account you want to use or enter your email and password. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one you check most often for email, since that's where your flight notifications will go. Once you're signed in, go back to your Google Flight search, confirm that track prices is switched on. You may see a small confirmation message letting you know that price tracking is active for that route. From this point on, Google Flights will automatically monitor the fares for you in the background. Now that tracking is enabled, you don't need to keep checking manually. When prices for that route change significantly, Google will send you email notifications. These emails typically include how much the price has gone up or down, and sometimes a brief summary of alternative dates or airlines that might save you money. To make sure you actually see these alerts, check your emails, promotions, or updates tabs, as flight alerts sometimes land there instead of your main inbox. You can drag one of these emails into your primary tab or mark it as important so future notifications are easier to spot. If you're not seeing any messages after a while, make sure the track prices toggle is still turned on and that you're signed in with the same Google account you're checking for email. And that's all there is to it. You searched for a route on Google Flights, enabled price tracking, signed into your Google account if needed, and now you'll receive email notifications whenever prices change. This simple setup can save you time, help you spot deals early, and make planning your trips a lot less stressful.